Good morning all. Today we are testing the compound is this. For that compound we have to observe, we have to identify the two compounds. This is the given compound and the color of the compound is like that. It is a semi-solid. Liquid and solid should be present in this boiling tube. For that we have to do preliminary test. First, this mixture of the compound is taken in a 5 test tubes. We have to take small amount of the given compound and few drops of water is added and it forms a compound like this. It is partially soluble. Water the given compound is partially soluble in water. We are giving a compound that is soluble in water, which means it may be amides, urea or carbohydrates. And next we have to take another test tube. In that test tube we have to add a small amount of mixture and sodium bicarbonate is added. It is incomplete, it is insoluble, completely insoluble. It forms a compound like this, that is completely insoluble, and we have to take a next test tube, that is few drops of given organic compound and NaOH is added. NaOH is added, it is also insoluble or maybe partially soluble. Water soluble means it is soluble in all compounds, that is partially soluble. And next we have to take a compound, that is small amount of compound, to this few drops of HCl is added. It is completely soluble. It is completely soluble, indicates the presence of bases. Small amount of compound is taken in a test tube, to this few drops of HCl is added. It is completely soluble, indicate the presence of bases. Next one, last one, that is small amount of the compound is taken in a test tube, to this few drops of ether is added and it is incomplete or partially soluble. We have to observe that in the test tube. In this test tube, in the last we have to observe here small amount of the salt is present. It indicates the presence of either insoluble, means indicates the presence of carbohydrates. In HCl it is completely soluble. HCl completely soluble. No amount of, it is not insoluble. It is completely soluble, whereas in ether it is partially soluble. Small amount of mixture is present in the bottom of the test tube, that is indicates the presence of carbohydrates and it indicates the presence of bases. So the given compound may be bases and carbohydrate, because in either carbohydrates are not soluble, for that we are having carbohydrates. Next preliminary test is we have to take a compound in the test tube, in the spatula. In the spatula, this spatula is burned on the small amount of the compound is taken in a test tube, that is burned in the, this is burned in the burner. It forms a smoky flame, both the compounds are present, so it is a smoky flame with charring also observed. This test can be done by doing separation. After doing separation, this test can be done. We have to take a compound in the beaker, in this beaker. To this beaker we are adding only ether solution. Ether solution is added. In this beaker ether solution is added, it separates like this, and then we have to separate the compound. filter the compound by using funnel. Separate this compound by using filtration. We have to pour the solution into the funnel by using this paper. This is separate like this. This is the base compound and this is the neutral compound. Small amount of the compound is present in the beaker, so few drops of either is also again added and poured into the beaker. This beaker is empty and it separates like this. Separates like this. This is the neutral compound. This should be placed in the sun by evaporation of ether. And this is the base compound. This is the base compound. For this base compound, we have to test the amines test. We have to separate both the compounds. This is compound A and this is compound B. First we have to check the tests for compound A. First we have to do solubility test. Small amount of the compound is taken in a test tube. To this dilute HCl is added. Directly we are doing. We know that it is a base compound. Small amount of dilute HCl is added. It is completely soluble. To this, small amount of NaOH is added. By adding this NaOH, regeneration of amine. Amines are regenerated by using this. Amines are regenerated. So this is the base compound. Next we have to do preliminary test, that is small amount of the compound. That compound is taken in a beaker like this. To this small amount of compound is taken in a spatula, burn on the burner. The compound is aromatic or non-aromatic. Smoky flame is observed. So the given compound is aromatic saturated. Aromatic saturated bases. Next we have to do test for amines. Directly we are doing the test for amines. To this we have to take 3 test tubes. In the first test tube, compound, the given compound and small amount of concentrated HCl. To this small amount of given concentrated HCl is added. The given compound and concentrated HCl in one test tube placed in an ice beaker. In the next test tube, sodium nitrate.